Today we will explain English tenses with clear examples you can use.
I will give simple forms, uses, and examples for each tense. Let us begin with the present tenses.
Present. Simple describes habits, facts, and regular actions. Use the base verb and add s or es for he, she, it. Example: she studies every morning.
Present continuous shows actions happening now or temporary situations. Use am, is, are, plus verb plying. Example: I am studying English at the moment.
Present perfect connects past actions with the present result. Use have, has, plus past participle. Example: they have finished their homework.
Present perfect. Continuous emphasizes duration from the past until now. Use have, has been plus verb plussing. Example: he has been learning English for 2 years.
Now the past group. Past simple talks about completed actions at a definite time. Use the past form of the verb or ed. Example: she visited her friend yesterday.
Past continuous describes a past action in progress at a specific moment. Use was, were plus verb pulsing. Example: I was reading when the phone rang.
Past perfect shows an action completed before another past event. Use had plus past participle. Example: by the time the class started, I had already reviewed the notes.
Past perfect continuous highlights how long something happened before a past moment. Use had been plus verb plying. Example: they had been waiting for an hour when the bus arrived.
Now the future forms. Future simple uses will for predictions, promises, and quick decisions. Use will plus base verb. Example: I will call you tonight.
Going to expresses plans or intentions. Use am, is, are going to plus base verb. Example: she is going to start a new course next Monday.
Future continuous shows an action in progress at a future time. Use will be plus verb slang. Example: this time tomorrow I will be traveling.
Future perfect shows a completed action before a specified future time. Use will have plus past participle. Example: by Friday we will have submitted the report.
Future perfect continuous shows duration up to a future point. Use will have been plus verb playing. Example: by next month he will have been working here for 5 years.
Compare pairs to understand differences. Present simple describes routines. Present continuous describes actions now. Present perfect shows results now. Present perfect continuous shows ongoing duration.
In the past group, past simple is a finished action. Past continuous is the background action. Past perfect shows the earlier action, and past perfect continuous stresses duration before another past action.
For future tenses, future simple makes predictions. Future continuous shows ongoing future actions. Future perfect looks back from a future moment, and future perfect continuous measures duration up to that future moment.
Signal words help choose the tense. Always, often, every day for present simple. Now, at the moment for present continuous. Since for already for present perfect.
For past simple, look for yesterday, last week in 2019. For past continuous, watch for while and when. For past perfect, look for by the time and before. For future tenses, note tomorrow, next week, by then, and this time tomorrow.
Common errors to watch. Forget the S in third person present, mix past and past participle forms, and use will with the wrong verb form. Practice makes these errors disappear.
Practice idea. Pick one sentence and change it across tenses. For example, I eat breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I have eaten breakfast. I had eaten breakfast. I will eat breakfast.
Use mini stories to link tenses naturally. Describe a day, your routine, what is happening now, what you did yesterday, and what you plan to do tomorrow. This creates a real context for each tense.
Pronunciation and contractions are important for spoken English. Use don't, hasn't, won't, I'm, she's in speech. They make conversation fluid and natural.
Irregular verbs need memorizing. Go went gone, seesaw seen, take took taken. A small list covers many common verbs that learners use every day.
Timelines and simple charts are useful visual tools. Place example sentences on a timeline to see the relationship between events and tenses.
When forming questions, move the auxiliary verb before the subject. Do you play? Have you finished? Will they come? This is key for clear questions.
Negatives follow the auxiliary. Do not, does not, did not, has not, have not, had not, will not. Remember contractions in speech. Don't, doesn't, didn't, hasn't, won't.
A final short story using many tenses. I wake up early every day. Right now I am making tea. I have cleaned the room already. Yesterday I walked to the market. Tomorrow I will meet a friend, and by evening I will have finished my errands.
At the start, we promised clear examples for each tense. We showed present, past, and future forms, and gave signal words, common mistakes, and quick practice tips.
We also compared similar tenses, gave mini exercises, and used a short story to connect forms. These steps will help you recognize and use tenses with confidence.
Today, we learned how each of the main tenses works, when to use them, and how to form simple sentences. Keep practicing and your tense usage will become natural.